Friendship Day. Friendship bands are trendy. Two interlocking hearts are the common modern symbol of true friendship. But do you remember the old card shop? Well, Friendship Day originated way back in 1930 from Hallmark cards by Joyce Hall. Friendships of utility, friendships of pleasure, friendships of the good, of mutual respect and admiration is what Aristotle categorized friendships into. But for me, and maybe also for you, friendship is a simple word which brings in a smile, happiness, trust, deep association, bonding, and companionship. If that be so, then why quarrel? Quarrel over boundaries, territories, trade, etc. And so, the materialistic and diplomatic world brought in the International Friendship Day as declared by the United Nations on July 30. A day to promote and appreciate different backgrounds. A day to bridge the gaps between factors of race, language and culture with an objective to promote peace, unity and happiness. Still we war. While the ongoing Palestine-Israel war did not find a solution, the new Russia-Ukraine war started, alas. For me, each day is a day to live happily, peacefully, with celebration. A celebration of the deep ties and the precious bonds of togetherness. If that ain't enough, the world gives in so many reminders. In India, the Friendship Day is celebrated on the first Sunday of the month of August, which is August 7th this year. And then there is Women's Friendship Day, which is celebrated on the third Sunday of August. If that's not enough, June 8th is National Best Friends Day, and the International Friendship Month is the month of February. Country or individual, friendship is the most beautiful relationship in this world. Be it your bestie or a global mind befriending a nation. A great friend is a great listener, a critique. The old adage always holds true. A friend in need is a friend indeed. And even beyond that, a true friend is someone who takes care of you when you don't need it. So do make friends and above all, value, nurture and retain friendships. Happy Friendship Day to all from me, Dr. PUJA DEWAN, Grehlakshmi Mrs. India 2022, to all of you. Thank you.